This humble root might look ordinary, but wait until you hear how Jamaicans have been using it to heal upset stomach, soothe the skin, and detox the body.
In the evening, my grandmother would make porridge every Sunday evening give us.
This is the Arrowroot. Jamal family, how you do? Oh, lovely. Today I'm in the beautiful hills of Summerhill, deep rural community near the Maldon area here in St. James, and I'm with Ms Thelma. We're gonna look at something really special. It's the old-time arrowroot. Yes, the old people remember it. We're gonna look at it today, and stay with me because you might just get lucky. Ms Thelma is planning to show us how to make arrowroot porridge the old-fashioned way. If you're new here though, or have not yet subscribed for whatever reason, I want to invite you to join us. I'm on a journey to share the real Jamaica. History, culture, old-time stuff, medicinal herbs, all of the good stuff. I don't want you to miss any of that. If you've not yet subscribed to my channel, I'm going to invite you to hit that subscribe button and tap the bell notification, and that way you see updated on all my latest videos. Let's go to Arrowroot. Alright guys, and here she is. Ms Thelma, I'm going to ask you to turn around and say hi to the Jamal family. Ms Thelma, my friend, this is overdue guys. This is actually overdue. I should have met up with Ms Thelma for way back. She have a beautiful chicken farm, she tell me to, you know. Hold up her egg and all these things. She's a farmer. She's a champion farmer, I tell you, this lady. But today, anyway, we're going to be looking at the arrowroot. And Ms Thelma is one of the plants here that she has on her farm. You can see a lot of yam there. But let's go to arrowroot quickly. Arrowroot, she's pulling it up. This is what it looks like. Pulling it up off the ground, fresh. Oh, that's a big one. It's a nice one, Ms Thelma.
Take it out.
Yes, man. All right, we're going to talk about it. So first of all, I want to show you guys, what it looks like. So the leaves, first of all, Ms Thelma, it looks almost like like turmeric, huh?
Yeah.
Kind of turmeric. So if you know turmeric, it's similar to turmeric. So this is it, guys. And then the tuber, or the food, grows at the base. So this is what it looks like. And you cut it off. So tell me how you use it, Ms Thelma. We cut it.
Cut it off and clean it.
Uh-huh.
Wash it.
Uh-huh.
Beat it in a mortar.
Uh-huh.
Wring it.
Yeah.
And dry it. So when you wring it, you use the water to strain it.
Use the water to strain it?
Yeah, you use water, strain it.
Uh-huh, okay.
When it's settled now, you strain off the water and you get the pure starch.
Pure starch?
Pure starch, white starch, and then you have it to dry.
Uh-huh.
And when it dry now, it's powdery.
Uh-huh.
And we put it into a jug.
Uh-huh.
Have it make the porridge.
Yes.
Mothers, when they're pregnant and if they don't have as much milk, they make the porridge and drink it and it send down the milk.
Ah.
For diarrhea, you mix it.
Uh-huh.
You can drink it raw and you make the porridge with it.
You can eat it, drink it raw?
Yes.
Uh-huh.
With diarrhea.
Uh-huh.
Vomiting.
Uh-huh.
So you have all those.
Uh-huh.
Like it's a medicine to your body.
Medicine to your body?
Yes.
I want you to break it for me. Break one of them. Break one of them.
Pinch nerves.
Uh-huh.
It's good for pinch nerves too.
Uh-huh. Okay, so this is a good one. Okay. So that's how it looks. So it's very starchy, like a yam. Like a yam, yeah? You would say, right?
Yeah.
Like a yam. Okay. I was gonna ask you traditionally how you use it, but I think you started already. You said it used for baby use it. Yes. I mean, sorry, mommy use it.
Mommy, when they don't have as much milk to give the baby, they boil it, make the porridge, and drink it, and the milk come down.
Yes.
And if the baby vomiting, you can mix it raw, or you make the porridge and give them. Then it stop the vomiting and the diarrhea.
Gotcha. Let me ask you about the juice that come out of it though. What do you do with it? You throw it away?
No, the juice of it, when you wring it, you put it, make it settle. The water just come up on top and it starts to your bottom. And when it settle, you just strain it out. And you strain it off, you keep it in the sun till it dry. And when it dry now, you dig it up. And it come powdery and you put it up.
Gotcha.
So it don't sober.
Cool. All right. Station break. I want to show you. I'm gonna ask Ms Thelma to come out of this one a little bit, guys. I'm gonna show you some of the stuff that Ms Thelma have here. Coming back to Arrowroot. She has a. By the way, she is a farmer, and she is the only one that does it. a solopreneur. This is yam. That's cane. This is cocoa, right? This is more yam here. Cane. More cocoa. What else do you have here, Ms Thelma? Banana. Plantain, banana, pineapple. Oh, pineapple. Yeah, pineapple. She has a whole bunch of, this lady really, I was blown away, to be honest with you. That's cane. She have her own cane. By the way, she sell cane juice and stuff. She have a cane machine, banana stuff, and she does it by herself. I couldn't believe it. I tell her to take it easy. I've been telling her to take it easy. Cane sugar. Yes. All right. So let's go back to the arrowroot. Right here, too. The lovely plantain root here, and a bunch of plantain. Cinnamon tree here. Mango tree here. And we're gonna stick under the mango tree. Yes. I'm gonna stick under the mango tree. Yes. Nice. So we're talking about the traditional uses. Ms Thelma, you mentioned them. I understand too that it soothes upset stomach.
Yes.
And indigestion.
Yes.
Skin irritation, people use it for skin irritation as well. Small cuts and so.
Yes.
And obvious, and if you're making a porridge without not necessarily arrowroot porridge, but any other porridge and you want it to look thicker.
You don't have to put no milk in it, you know.
You don't have to put no milk.
You don't have to put no milk, just natural.
Yeah.
So you make the porridge, set on the water, put the nutmeg in there, vanilla, your cinnamon.
Yeah.
And when it's boiling up now, you just maybe mix 2 spoons of it. And just mix it out, and as you throw it in there and it start to boil up, you turn it off and it get thick. All
right, we're gonna come to that. You might be lucky, guys. I think she's gonna show us exactly that. But I was mentioning that the people use it as a thickener as well. A thickener in porridge and gravies and so forth.
Yeah.
Let me ask you guys. Where is it? You have it? Let me ask you. Have you ever had arrowroot porridge? Growing up, tell me. Maybe your granny used to give it to you, or you get it for belly ache. Drop the memory in the comments right now. This is the arrowroot, man, the old time favorite. We're delving into. All right, so I'm gonna share with you some of the medicinal benefits. So, Miss, I can't help it. This is a cinnamon, guys. You have a cinnamon tree here. Cinnamon tree, fresh cinnamon. This is not made up stuff. This is not AI stuff. See there? You have a tree. Lovely. Fresh, I get fresher than that. Anyway, I want to share some of the health benefits with you. The arrowroot. So it's not just bush medicine, it's good. It's good. So we talk about the belly, easy on the belly. Alright, it's given to Jamaican. Jamaicans give it to babies and elders with digestion issues. So I understand it helps to firm up loose stools, calm acid reflux and restore hydration. It's naturally gluten free as well, making it a perfect substitute for cornstarch. Right. And because it's rich in potassium and iron, it supports blood and muscles. This is the same thing here, the old time arrowroot. But here's what's even more amazing, guys. Arrowroot contains compounds that support immune health and help detox the body. Does that without stressing the system. It's kind of a, quiet but powerful compound. So this is the arrowroot. Ms Thelma, tell me one of your best memories of the arrowroot country now with your grandma, your mother now.
Oh, the arrowroot now, it's very healthy. In the evening, my grandmother would make porridge every Sunday evening give us. Every Sunday evening.
Not Sunday dinner?
No. After we get to dinner and go to bed, they make a good supper porridge for us. Yes.
I wonder why.
I don't know, but every Sunday evening.
So that's like the dessert?
Yes.
Wow.
If not chocho porridge.
Chocho porridge too?
Chocho porridge.
Oh, interesting.
Yes.
Oh, by the way, guys, as I tell you, arrowroot is so gentle. Even though it's so powerful, it's gentle. They use it.
The nerves.
Yes, it's the nerves you mentioned.
The nerves.
Actually, talk about that before I even mention that.
The arrowroot rests the nerves. Whenever you drink it, for some time you're jumping in your sleep.
Yeah.
So when you're drinking the arrowroot, it settle your nerve.
Calm you down.
The
old time people always know what is in there, but we don't know that it works.
Right.
It works. So I was saying though that it was used as a baby formula in earlier colonial time based on my research. And there's a lady in St. Mary. I went to Denby the other day, and there's a lady. There's a young lady actually I met, and I needed to do a feature with her. We haven't gotten to it yet, but she used the arrowroot to make baby formula, you know. She's the only one in Jamaica who actually does baby formula, and it's all natural ingredients. And the arrowroot and banana, she says she using there.
Okay.
Yes.
Well, when me having my children, my first child never drink nothing feed. Goat milk and arrowroot porridge.
What you saying?
Just that.
Yeah.
If not, me boil the soup,
Yeah.
chicken back soup with the green banana with the skin.
Same so.
Yes, so
Same so.
that in live off.
And I'm healthy and strong.
Never go a doctor.
What you saying?
Never go a doctor.
Wonderful, wonderful. Questions for you guys. I'm going to share some popular questions that people ask about arrowroot. I'm going to share some of that with you. I know some of you probably have your own questions. I'm going to share some with you, and if you have any question or further question, I'm going to ask you to share it in the comments. Number one, can I use arrowroot instead of cornstarch? The answer is yes. Arrowroot is gluten-free. It's a gluten-free thickener that works great in gravies, sauce, and even baking. Yes. Number two, is it safe for people with food allergies? Absolutely yes. Again, arrowroot is hyperallergenic and it's easy to digest. Number three, how long does arrowroot powder last? And by the way, we're going to show you the powder shortly when we head back to base at Ms Thelma's home. We're in the field now, as you can imagine, as you realize. All right. If stored in a cool, dry place, it can last up to 2 years. I heard. Ms Thelma said more than 2, but safely at least 2. Yeah, if you dry properly. Yes. Right. Yes. So let me ask you now. You have any other questions about arrowroot? Yes, man. Take your time. Go to the comments. Someone put it in there. Let me send you some answers. Drop it in the comment right now. By the way, I was telling you that Ms Thelma has. I don't know. I honestly don't know how she managed it. But this is a cane field you're looking at. Right? As far as the eyes can see, this is a cane field. And she has woven it. Or in between it, she has pineapple. So the pineapple is between the cane, Ms Thelma. Yeah. Some of it. You have pineapple by itself?
Oh,
the other side. Awesome. And she have banana. All of this cane. I don't know how she do it, but my God bless her soul. Yam. Look at that. That's yam. Look at yam. So all of these yams too, you cut the stick and plant it?
Yes, sir.
Ms Thelma, man, you have to be careful in the man. Careful. We were just having a side discussion, guys. Ms Thelma telling us about how difficult is it to prepare the arrowroot, to get it to the dry stage to use it, right? To make the porridge is easy, but to get it to prepare it is kind of very hard. But listen, if anybody wants to get a hold of you for some of these old time arrowroot, Ms Thelma, where can they find you? I know you're not so well. By the way, guys, for a disclaimer, she's not very well with phone, you know. she's not really fond of phone. It's a banger she has. The number is in the description of the video. You can check the description for the number. But you can actually find her in the market as well. So let me have her tell you where we can find her.
Right in front, Pang Wholesale. That gate is turned inside the market. The first turn off, you come in right at one yellow shop. Sit on Friday. Every Friday, why is nothing wrong with it?
Every Friday. As long as it's not a holiday and God's willing, everything is alright. You're there. And I should tell you guys, I get the best cane juice from this lady every Friday. Me get me cane juice. I'm a pineapple. By the way, we just get a lovely pine from her. Where's the pine? Yeah, so show off the pine, Ms Thelma. Show them off the pine. I say, the pine. Lovely pine. It's about 5 pound of pine. Man, that's beautiful. Just as you guess, guys, we are back at base. And Ms Thelma is going to make some old time arrowroot porridge. Yes, man. See the grill there? Stay tuned. And while the fire is getting ready, here's a little bonus for you. I promise you, when I met this lady, it was about her eggs. A whole organic 100% common fall egg. So she showed me some of the fall here. Here it's her fall coop. And oh, you have more down here. Oh, nice. This is bonus stuff now, guys. Bonus stuff. Your big dog here, man. See security. All right. Yes, sir. I hear you. Respect, sir. Bonus stuff you're gardening now, guys. We're gonna show you the fall cub. This lady, I don't know how this lady do it, honestly. If you know, let me know. Tell me how she do it. But she's solo, and she does all of that stuff. All of that farming you see over there side, and then she also have her chicken farm. She have the best eggs, by the way, right? No fertilizer eggs. So these are her chickens, right? All natural. They're all homegrown and organic food she give them. Some more here. Now, this is the life. This is the life. You have duck in here. A duck that? Ah, nice. So the ducks them get along with them. They get along.
Even we let them out.
Okay, cool. So no eggs today. You no egg in there. All right, we're gonna see if we find some eggs.
They will come out like
that. Yeah, man, I watch you now. I watch you.
Only
one egg. One egg, one.
Them not lay it.
Only one egg. All right. Which it proves to us that them productive still. At least it is an egg. Them not lay it. All right, nice. Why, Ms Thelma, big you up. Big up Ms Thelma, guys. She's alone. She's a loner, and she's doing all of this stuff in the hills here of Summer Hill, Maldon, St. James. Man, people like this, I don't know. What we're gonna do when them gone, because these are the people who hold up the thing, hold up the heritage, hold up the culture. Make sure you give her a thumbs up for me, guys, in the comments, please. Thank you, guys. All right, so get me fast forward. Me get me arrowroot porridge. Come closer, man. Come look at it. Let me show them. See there? Rich and thick. So just remind us, Ms Thelma. We had a little break, but remind us how you make this. Make it again.
Set on the water.
Yeah.
With the cinnamon. And let it boil up.
Yeah.
You grate your nutmeg in there.
Yeah.
Throw your little vanilla in there.
Yeah.
And then you throw the starch into a basin and mix it out with your last cup.
Yes. Oh, actually, Neil, I want to show them the powder.
The powder, yes.
Yeah, Neil, go for the powder. Oh, so this is the powder. This is the powder, guys. We have a baby here who wants to get in the frame. Hold him. Listen up, Neil. Hold him.
Okay, this is the powder.
Yes.
Throw it.
Yes. Go ahead, Sam.
You throw it into a basin with some little water and mix it out. And then when you're done, you strain it again. And throw your Lasco in there when the water boiling up. With the cinnamon, vanilla and nutmeg. You just throw it in there and stir it about for 5 minutes. And
that's it.
That's it, and it gets.
Before I taste it, I want to just put it in the hand here. Let me just show you. It's actually so we looked at the okay, alright, good. So this is it powdered guys, like flour with a little lump. Right?
And you mix it out now, it just come
and you mix it out, it gets soft, right?
Soft.
Yeah? We can eat this,
Yeah.
No taste. Wow. Alright. So guess what? I'm gonna do a little thing unconventional. I'm gonna show you to the side for myself. But this is me. Arrowroot porridge the whole time we courtesy of Ms Thelma. Nice. And years, man. Years, daddy. Real food. Big up Shani. Big up Shani. Shani, granddaughter and support the thing. This is nice, this is lovely. You eat them food and you don't need to go out doctor myself. This is good. Thank you guys, thank you. That's it guys, the old time arrowroot. There's another video I needed to see, but just before I mention that to you, I'm gonna ask you to put, if you love this video, if you love this feature as much as I did, I'm gonna ask you to go to the comment and put rooted, and if you love this stuff, the arrowroot stuff. There's another video I needed to see, and that's the one I did with Miss Lawrence about the busy. health benefits of busy. You want to see that? There's a link in the description. You can see the card above. See you in that one.